Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz S here. Welcome to this lecture. In this video, I will show you how to conduct demographic analysis in SPSS. Demographic analysis is normally one of the first analysis we conduct before moving toward reliability analysis, correlation analysis, regression analysis, t-test or ANOVA. So in this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guidance how to analyze demographic characteristics using frequencies and percentage and how to interpret and report the results correctly. The primary purpose of demographic analysis is to describe the characteristics of our sample. Before conducting the analysis, we need to make sure that our demographic variables are coded correctly. So in this way, we need to see variable view and we need to see that our variables are correctly coded. So these are my demographic variables. So we need to see here where I put 1 equal to male and 2 equal to female. So on the other hand, I use variable industrial location and I put 3 industrial locations as 1, 2, 3. On the other hand, imply age, I have also coded imply age with 4 values, 1 equal to less than 25 years and 4 equal to 35 years and more. So you can also see other demographic designation. So there are 6 designation. First one is quality manager supervisor, one production manager and supervisor, and 6 I put as others. If there is not about first 5, so I put 6 equal to other designation. And you can also see marriage status, and you can see here single, married, and divorce and withdrawn. Okay, so now we are going to do demographic analysis. Click on analyze and descriptive statistics and then click on frequencies. So we need to choose all variables, all demographic variables and put in variable set. Like first one is gender. Pick and click in variable set. Then industrial location. Okay, then imply age and business designation, education and farm. As well, there is another demographic if we find here. Yes, marital status and working experience. So we have put all demographic variables in variable set. Now we go to statistics. What we need here, we can click on mean, median, mode. If you also need minimum value, maximum value, standard deviation or variance, so you can click. If you also want to do skewness and kurtosis, so you can also click on. But because these two, skewness and kurtosis, are used to measure normality of the data. Click on OK. Then go to chart if you need chart. Anytime, for example, if you need bar chart, you can click on bar chart. If you need pie chart or histogram, it is up to you. So we simply click on bar chart and click on, because we are going to make bar chart based on frequencies or percentage. It is up to you. So we are going to make with frequencies. Click on continue. Then format, we have no concern here, so we will continue. Then bootstrap, we have no concern here. Okay, so then we will click on OK. So our results are here. So you can see here the descriptive statistics here, like gender, mean, mode, standard deviation, variance, skewness, standard error of skewness, kurtosis, standard error of kurtosis, minimum and maximum value. So you can see there are complete descriptive statistic of each demographic variable. So now we move next. So we can see here gender. So you can see here there are 308 male respondents in our data and 104 female. So according to our frequencies, SPSS calculated the percentage as well. 74.8% were male respondents and 25.2 were female respondents. So as well industrial location, and you can also find employee age. So the most of the respondents were between 26 to 30 years old. As well business age, and you can see designation. So most of the respondents were production manager and supervisor. And as per other variables, you can also see this education. Most of the respondents were bachelor graduated. And there is no other value. And marital status. So most of the respondents were married. Okay, working experience. So most of the responses were between 3 to 5, 4 years of experience. So you can also see bar chart, gender, industrial location, employee age, business age. So you can just, we need to clear the things on chart. If you find like there is a disturbance, if you put this chart on MS Word, so you will find this annoying. So we need to correct this. Double click on this one. You will see this window and then you can edit easily. You can remove and correct this. As well you can remove the hash below. And now it is clear. So you can click on cancel. So it looks end, right? Because when we put data in SPSS, it doesn't accept the space. So now we can generate space and put in MS Word. So if you don't want to see industrial location above, you can also remove this one. Double click on this one and you want to remove this. Select and cancel. So click on OK. Okay, now you can copy and import to MS Word easily. Okay, so we have successfully imported the chart from SPSS to MS Word. So you can also do the same with other charts, because if you don't remove the above heading, so it will show here. So that's why before making the good looking results, so we need to set the results in SPSS result outcome profile. So this is outcome profile. So we also need to handle this one. Double click on employee age and you can remove the above heading. Okay, click on cancel and then click copy and then paste here. So in this way we can easily conduct the demographic analysis in SPSS. If you like my video, if you find my video helpful, so then please subscribe my channel and click on notification so that you can get my next video easily.